Data types. So in Kotlin, the type of a variable is decided by its value. Okay. So for example, um, on our screen right now, we actually have a string variable, but this string variable is determined or decided by its value. Okay. So let me just delete this val username. So for example, if I wanted to create an integer data type variable, or because if I wanted to, in an instance, wanted to get somebody's age, for example, I would do var age equals the number 5. Okay. Now in Kotlin, you actually do not have to add the semicolon. I am only adding the semicolon because I also code in Java. So I don't want to forget that I need semicolons in Java. So I try to keep some practices ongoing. So var age equals 5 will make this variable be an integer because the value is an integer. Okay. So another example of another data type would be var, let's say, age, but in this case we do 5.0. Okay, so we can't use age. So let's just say money, for example, 5.0, because it is a double, you would see that the money would be, it would change the data type to a double. Okay. If I wanted to create a character variable, I will just do var my letter equals single quotations, and I'll pass in the keyword D. So because I'm using single quotation marks, already it would know that, hey, you're creating a character, okay, which is obviously used for car, char or car, whatever, depending on whatever background you come from, char, okay? So that is how you define this type of data type. If I was to use a Boolean, for example, I would do var, and I would say is hungry equals true. Because right now I'm hungry. So because I have set is hungry to true, the variable would already set, would know that the data type is a Boolean. Okay. So ideally in Kotlin, you would usually, the type of variable is usually decided by its value.